Today I'm going to demonstrate how to remove a breast implant and do a breast lift. First step is to make an incision in the skin in the groove under the breast. I dissect in the subcutaneous plane and then under the pec muscle, and now I've identified the capsule surrounding the breast implant. When we're removing the implant, we try to remove as much of the capsule around the implant as we can. We just gradually dissect above and below the implant until we've got it completely isolated. And we make a cut in the capsule to reveal the implant, and then we remove the implant and we remove the capsule tissue. At this point of the operation, just close up the wound. So we remove the implant and the breast is quite empty and there's a lot of excess skin, so we're going to do a lift. We start by making an incision higher on the breast because we need to move the nipple higher. We're going to get rid of a lot of this excess skin from down the bottom part of the breast, and we're going to keep the areola. Then this top part of the breast, we're removing the skin from here. Underneath the skin is fat, and then there's this white breast tissue, which is actually white in real life. We keep the nipple and areola attached to the breast tissue, but we're going to move all of this higher in the breast, and we do this by making a pedicle, so we're in size here and here. Once the pedicle is higher, we can simply elevate it up to the new position in the breast, and we have this little pocket down here. And I want to do an auto augmentation in this lady. Use some of this tissue from below, some of the breast tissue and fat that the lady has, and I'm gently going to dissect that out. That tissue can then be gently folded under the breast to give more volume under the nipple area. What's left is just to continue closing the incision around the areola, and then we have the vertical limb going down to the lower pole of the breast, and then the transverse incision under the breast. At the end of the operation, what we're left with is a breast where the excess skin has been removed. The skin looks a lot firmer and tauter. The tissue has been moved to the upper pole of the breast, and the nipple has also been elevated to a more natural position.